man, it's gonna be cliche, but you definitely have to have a growth mindset. Been talking to one of my guys on LinkedIn, Alex, and he mentioned it to me. It wasn't the first time anyone had ever mentioned it to me, but yeah, the growth mindset versus the fixed mindset. Just not seeing this like this as being it. There's so much past this, you know. And one of the other guys that I'm really just really thankful for in the LinkedIn community, Riley. He just recently spoke about that. Like, your past is your past. And let's not worry about it or get hung up on it. And it made me think, like, something so simple as the last call you just hung up, that's your past now. Move on.
Yep.
Right. And you're going to learn from all of those things, of course, right? Your interactions with coworkers, whatever, but you're moving on. And just, I think the growth mindset is the biggest thing. Just knowing that there's something different and that you yourself can explore these different avenues and these different things and have these different conversations. And you don't have to be so limited and boxed in. And I know a lot of us were taught that, you know, find that thing and just be good at that thing. But I disagree. I think that you have to find those things and get good at those things. And it takes hard work, yes. But the biggest thing is having the mindset to say, oh, I can do that. You know, you're not stuck where you are. Yeah, you're not stuck. So the growth mindset is the biggest thing.